All right. Hi, everybody. I love seeing all of your faces, or most of you during our morning meeting. I'm sorry to those of you that couldn't get logged on or were having issues. I'm making this video for those people that were having issues and to just clear up a few things about Google Meet. So some of you all we're using the code or the link on our the Google Classroom. You're not going to use that, okay? I'm going to show you exactly how to do it and how to save it to your computer to make it a little easier. So if you start off at the Paint Lick Elementary homepage and you go to Virtual Classrooms, you can scroll down to second grade. Once you get to this screen, you can click right here where it says click here to go to the second grade site. Once you are here, up at the top, you have all kinds of tabs that will help you do anything that you need to do. The recorded morning meetings will be right here. So our first one I already have for today. So if you missed that, you can go right here, and then this will be Thursdays and this will be Friday. And I will upload those as soon as we're done with them. For attendance, thank you to all of those of you that checked in this morning. Even if you show up to the morning meeting, you still need to do the attendance check-in. So you just click it, fill out that form, and you're good to go. Now, usually you'll also do an afternoon check-in, but for these first 3 days, as long as you do the morning check-in, that's all we're asking for today. So that one is due by 9 o'clock. Please make sure that you have done that, okay? Right. Then if you go to how do I do that and scroll down, we have a video of how to get to our morning meeting, and we have our code and everything right there. If you want to, you can click here to go to Google Meet. That's what I would do. If you're having trouble getting to our website, you can come up to this little button right here and a bunch of options will pop up. I want you to click on bookmark, and then once bookmark comes up, you can say bookmark this tab, bookmark this tab, and you can save it as second grade website. And then it will always come up whenever you open up your web browser, it will come up at the top of the page. So for example, if I open a new tab right there at the top, second grade website is now saved for me, and it will save on your Chromebook, and you can just click on it. And that way you don't have to keep searching and searching for it every time. So if I go back to the Google Meet, and I've saved this page so it'll be easy to find, I click here. And I'm not signed in, and I did this for a reason. You have to be signed in. So if I click join a meeting, it's going to ask me to enter the code. So second grade PLE morning meeting. You have to type all that in. Don't forget the PLE, and it's all lowercase, no spaces. All right, and it says invalid video call name, and that's because I am not signed in. So if you're not signed in, or you're signed in with an email that's not Garrett County, that is going to happen. So I don't know if that happened for some of you this morning, but I think that did. I think not being logged in or not being logged on to Garrett County email caused that to happen. So I'm going to sign in, and then after I sign in, I'll go back and make sure. So you're going to do the same thing. It'll be first name, last name, at Gary. Well, for you it'll be stu.gary.kyschools.us. And if you need me to send you your email address or your student email address, please let me know. So my email address is in there. I'm going to put in my password. I'm going to click next. Well, sorry, boys and girls, I can't type today. All right, so after after that, I'm going to return to home screen because I'm signed in. Now that I'm signed in, this is the screen that you want to see. So every single morning when you're getting on your morning meeting, you want to see this screen right here. You don't have to go to Google Classroom. In fact, I'm going to tell you not to go to Google Classroom, okay? So don't go to Google Classroom, just come to this screen right here. And if you want to, you can also bookmark this page. So go to bookmarks again, bookmark all, well, not all tabs, cancel. Bookmark tab, bookmark this tab, okay? And I'm going to type in Google Meet, and then done. And I'm going to check that again just like I did with the classroom website and make sure that it saves. So yeah, when I open up a new Google search, I can just find Google Meets right there. So my second grade website, sorry, if we don't move, the lights go out. So the website, the second grade website is right there. I can click on that now. Google Meet's right there. If I click on it, that same screen will come up, and that is the screen that you need to see. So you're going to click join or start a meeting. Now, it would be second grade PLE morning meeting. And the reason we're using that instead of the Google Classroom code is because whenever we start doing small groups, that's not going to take you to the right place all the time. So if you use the nickname or the code, then it'll take you to the right place. So when we start doing small groups, we'll have Miss Coleman will have a code, I'll have a code, and it will be different from the morning meeting. It'll probably be group 1 or something like that. But we'll send that out probably on Friday. We'll try to send things out the Friday before and make sure everything's ready for Monday morning. All right, so second grade PLE morning meeting, continue. All right, and I'm going to click join now. All right, and that won't pop up for you all because I'm the host. So see, now my Google Meet is up and you all should be able to join exactly like that. I know it's a lot of steps, but once you get in the groove, as long as you're signed in with a Garrett County email address, Garrett County Schools, and you find that first screen, this screen, if you are there, everything should be fine.